Hey there, amazing viewers. Welcome to Financial Bridge, the channel that bridges the gap between your financial goals and reality. Today, we're delving into the exciting realm of AI-powered businesses that can turn your home into a thriving entrepreneurial hub. So, grab a seat, get comfortable, and let's embark on this extended journey together. Imagine a world where you can make a staggering $34,000 per month from the comfort of your home. Well, buckle up because we've got 4 incredible work-from-home businesses fueled by AI that can make that dream a reality. Stick around to discover the secrets, strategies, and real-life success stories. But before we get started, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more financial insights, and let's jump right in. The sticker business, turning creativity into cash. Let's kick things off with a business you probably never thought could be so profitable, selling stickers. Yes, you heard it right. Our journey begins with a seller on Etsy who, since 2020, has raked in over $1.1 million selling stickers. The key here is leveraging AI tools like Midjourney and ChatGPT to create captivating, copyright-free designs. Dive deep into the design process, understanding how AI aids in creating unique, eye-catching stickers that resonate with your audience. Learn about market trends, customer preferences, and the importance of marketing strategies to turn these designs into a lucrative income stream. But hey, we're just scratching the surface. If you want a deeper dive into the sticker business, drop a comment below and we'll make it happen. Midway through our journey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're enjoying the valuable insights. Your support keeps Financial Bridge thriving and brings you more game-changing content. And to sweeten the deal, we'll be sharing exclusive tips for our subscribers in our upcoming videos. Crafting Dreams, the Wedding Invitation Wonderland. Now, let's unfold the pages of another profitable venture, selling wedding invitations. Explore the intricacies of this business with Etsy sellers boasting over 155,000 sales and $1.5 million in earnings. Witness how AI, combined with tools like Midjourney and Photopea, streamlines the design process, helping you create stunning and personalized wedding invitations. Understand the importance of catering to customer preferences, creating unique designs, and utilizing AI to enhance your creativity. We'll delve into the marketing strategies that contribute to the success of this business and guide you on how to turn your creativity into a thriving venture. Remember, your success is just an invitation away. Marking success with bookmarks. Moving right along, let's explore a business that's as delightful as curling up with a good book, selling bookmarks. Etsy sellers have already made a mark, earning nearly $80,000 by dedicating their shops to these tiny, artistic treasures. Discover the fascinating world of bookmark design, utilizing AI from Midjourney to Photopea. Learn how to create stunning designs, whether it's animals reading books or anime characters, and witness the limitless options at your disposal. We'll guide you through the printing process, discuss the materials, and share insights on how to make your bookmarks stand out in a competitive market. The grand finale, Planner Paradise. And now, let's unveil the grand finale, selling planners. Imagine turning your organizational skills into $1 million business. With Etsy sellers boasting 40,000 sales and close to $1 million in earnings, this is not a pipe dream. Delve into the intricate details of planner design, where AI comes to your aid once again. Explore how AI helps create eye-catching planner designs with patterns that sell like hotcakes. We'll discuss the print-on-demand approach, sacrificing a bit of revenue for the invaluable time saved. Dive deep into the strategies employed by successful sellers, understand the importance of market research, and witness the power of AI in transforming your organizational skills into a thriving business. Embracing the AI entrepreneurial journey. Believe it or not, every single one of you watching can embark on these businesses. AI is your ally and the possibilities are boundless. Dive into the vast world of creativity and entrepreneurship empowered by artificial intelligence. If you want dedicated videos for any of these businesses, drop a comment and we'll make it happen. As we conclude, remember that each one of you has the potential to embark on these ventures. Drop a comment if you want more insights into specific businesses or if you're ready to share your own success story. Financial Bridge is here to guide you on your path to financial success. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell to stay updated on our upcoming content. Your journey towards financial empowerment begins here, and we can't wait to see the amazing ventures you build with the power of AI. You're incredible, and we're grateful for your presence in the extended Financial Bridge community. Believe in your potential, take inspired action, and until next time, take care.